Hello AT Nation, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the Maybelline Tattoo Brow right over here. I've been meaning to try this product for a while, but we are finally doing it today, and this was a special request from Lirato in my comment section of my previous reviews. So yeah, let's get right into the video and see how this comes out. Yeah, the color that I went for, or was recommended for me when I asked in store, I got this from Clicks. It was the color black brown, but I feel like it's more black than it is brown. I tried swatching the other ones and they looked pretty pale, and as you can see my eyebrows are very black, so I thought if I put like a very pale color they might just look funny. So it comes in a box like that. The instructions say you just apply in a desired brow shape, and then you let it dry for at least 20 minutes. And if you want it to last for 3 days, as I would like it to, you have to keep it on for 2 hours, and then it's supposed to peel off properly. So I'm just gonna comb my eyebrows up in the shape that I like, and then I'm gonna go over with the product. So there we go. It comes with like a tiny brush. I'm not used to applying my brows with a brush. I'm used to what do we call this? I'm used to pencil, so I'm just gonna grab my mirror and bring it a bit closer because I do not want to do a mess. Oh my god, oh my gosh, that looks so black. It really looks I feel like the front part, I'm gonna peel it off earlier than 2 hours just to make sure that it doesn't really go as black as this other part, like just the end part. And for the rest of it I will really wait for 2 hours. So I'm gonna go right ahead and put it on. I feel like I need to go in with an earbud, and I'm just gonna wet it with my micellar water and clean up a bit just to make sure that it comes out in a desired shape, because I feel like I got a lot this side. The time now is exactly 5 p.m. so we are going to check it at like 7 p.m. but I'll come back to peel off the front of the brow like maybe after like half an hour or something like that, so stay tuned. Okay, so now it's just like half past, a bit past that, 28 minutes to. So I just grabbed tweezers. I'm not sure which ones will work better to pull pull this off, but I just want to pull off the front part so that it mustn't dye as dark as the other parts. I saw the people who reviewed this also tried the removed the front part earlier, so I think that would be something wise to do. I feel like I just tinted my skin with something black. So after 2 hours at like 7 p.m. I'll see how that went. I don't even know why I'm tinting my brows this late at night, and I have absolutely nowhere to go than to watch idols. So now it's about 2 minutes past 7. So it has been over 2 hours, so I think this should be ready to peel off. Aribone. Ooh, my mirror is reflecting to the lights, so yeah. I really don't know where I'm supposed to hold this thing. Okay, it's peeling, but I don't have like a solid line. Ouch. Okay, at least it's not grabbing my brows. I think it's the fact that I kept it on for like 2 full recommended hours, but hey, it's really difficult to pull it off. Okay, so now I need to test if this is gonna rub on my finger or not. I feel like my finger is a bit clear, so to really see the pad and see, like, it's clear, so it's not wiping off. This is a little bit dark there for me, but I love it. In a weird way, I love it. It reminds me of my good old days. Okay, so I'm gonna peel this side off. Anyway, my final comment about the tattoo brow, it actually works. Like, this color is called black brown. I feel like it should just be called jet black because it is very black. There's nothing brown about it, but I'm not mad at it because my browns are fairly black, so I don't mind using a black thingy. But I feel like it will look much better in like 3 days or something when it starts fading, or tomorrow whatsoever. So today is Sunday, the 11th of August. I will come back on Tuesday and show you how this held up. Hi guys, so today is the 3rd day from when I applied the Maybelline tattoo brow. It's the 13th of August. I applied it on the 11th, and honestly it fades a bit, especially towards the end, like it's plain there if you can see. Like now I have gaps again, but my brows are still pretty much tinted. It gives me more of like a natural brow look on the third day. So yeah, I think it works, but it will eventually fade. I felt like yesterday it was also faded a bit, but it does tint your brows for a little bit longer. And I did wash around my face as compared to washing, like scrubbing on my brows as well. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Remember to like, subscribe and comment and join the